I'm Mark Hyland, president of Organic Mechanics Soil Company. We're based in Chester County, Pennsylvania, about an hour west of Philly on the I-95 corridor. We've been around for about 15 years now, making our organic, peat-free potting soils and soil amendments. So we have a lot of unique products, everything from a seed starting blend to potting soils, planting mixes for the veg garden. We have our biochar blend, it's a really unique product, definitely check that out. Our insect frass fertilizer, root zone feeder packs to definitely get the garden growing fast. We have our cactus and succulent blend, very unique in the industry, full of lots of sand and shale. But the products are all peat-free. We use compost and coconut fiber to replace that peat moss. We also use rice hulls instead of perlite. They're grown right here in the US and very sustainable compared to perlite. We're also very unique in that our production facility is 100% indoors. So everything is made indoors and stored indoors until it's shipped. So that means it's a much higher quality product delivering to you. But we do make product year-round, product ships year-round. Doesn't matter if you need one pallet or an entire truckload, we can do whatever you need. We love our customers. We have everything from independent mom and pop garden centers. We also have natural food stores of all sizes. We have one distributor that sells into the natural foods world as well, but everything else comes direct from us. So if you're a landscape contractor, landscape architect looking for custom blends, or even a stock blend, we'd sell directly to you, as well as licensed cannabis facilities, botanical gardens, farms, and growers of all sizes. I encourage you to definitely just check it out. We are happy to extend a wholesale account to anyone that meets our minimum criteria. It's easy to do. Happy to set that up either today. There's a lot of links you can click on, but we can also just call the office. You call the office, you get me or Eric on the phone because we're a small family-run business. We are there to help you. We'll send you the new customer paperwork, very painless, get signed up. We need about a week's lead time on all orders. Orders will ship full truckload or LTL common carrier. It's whatever's best for you. We can ship 1 pallet, 4 pallets, 22 pallets. It's whatever you need. If you want to check out more about Organic Mechanics, we have a full slate of things you can click on after this video. Our catalog is available for download, as well as more information about the individual products. Also, there's our social pages are up there. Definitely check us out on Instagram and organicmechanicssoil.com. Absolutely check us out there. Lots of videos for you and your customers to check out more about our products, hear more about them individually. And if you want to email me, it's mark@organicmechanicssoil.com. If you want a Zoom meeting, click on that after you watch this video. Happy to answer any questions you have. And thanks for coming by. Happy gardening.